Hi, it's Nathan, and this is going to be a pic of this Abus Granit X Plus core in this motorbike disc lock. This video is going to be dedicated to DMAC for his 100 subscriber giveaway, so congratulations on that achievement, mate. Here's the lock. It's locked. Now it's open. Lock it back up. There we go. Have a look at the key for those that are interested. Put them to one side. I'm going to deactivate the disc locking system, and then use this key blank to rotate all the discs as far clockwise as they'll go. And then I'm going to take my pick, tension from the front, shove it all the way to the back, and put all the discs into a gate, whether it be true or false. Okay, I think they're all in the gate. Now let's do the difficult task of discerning between the true and false gate. And that's the open. Okay, so thank you very much for watching.